Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make banana pancakes, and if you stick around, I'm going to show you a hack for when you run out of your pancake syrup. So without further ado, please let's get started. Do you have bananas in your home that are just rotting away? Well, these bananas were rotting, so I unpeeled them and put them in the freezer for a week. Yes guys, they've been in the freezer for a week. So we'll let them thaw fully and then we will get started on the cooking. Voila, they are nice and fully thawed and oxidized, but that's not a big deal. They are nice and mushy, so that will give me a breeze while mashing them. So when it comes to the mashing of bananas, I'd highly advocate for you to mash your bananas according to your preference. For me, I decided not to blend them because I didn't want them to be fully mashed. I just wanted to leave out some banana chunks in my pancake. Look at that, guys. Ooh, look at that. So yummy. And guys, if it's your first time here, I'm a huge lover of bananas. Now for the ingredients, you'll need some mashed ripe bananas, vanilla essence, some cinnamon, ground cinnamon, eggs, salt, sugar, some all-purpose flour. I prefer using all-purpose flour, some milk, and some cooking oil. For me, the vanilla is never an option because I can't stand the smell of eggs in any pancake or pastry. I was torn in between vanilla and banana flavor, but I was like, oh, the pancakes would be too banana-y. You know what I mean? So I decided to just put a contrast flavor and whisk away. Then put in a cup of milk, added a quarter cup of vegetable oil, to my 1 cup of flour I put in a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. I also put in a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and I mix. The reason why I love using all-purpose flour is that I don't like thick fluffy pancakes. I love my pancakes thin, so I don't like the self-raising flour. I love all-purpose because it will give me the right results. I sifted the flour because I didn't want a lump in my mixture since I had the chunks of banana. It will be a little bit tricky to distinguish between banana chunks and lumps of flour. So I mixed that away and added some water because I didn't want my batter to be too thick. Fun fact about me, I detest thick pancakes because majority of the time they don't get fully cooked in the middle, and so you find that gooey uncooked batter. So I really detest that. Had I not added the water, this recipe could also make banana cupcakes. Cook your pancakes on medium-high heat, 2 minutes on each side, and there you go. You have your nice decadent banana pancakes. Now for the syrup, have a hot water bath. Put your honey on a good conductor of heat. Give it a good swirl. till it becomes nice and viscous. Then drizzle it on your pancakes and enjoy. What better way to decorate your banana pancakes than with an actual banana? Digging time, ooh, nice, moist and soft. Ooh, nice. Yummy. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe. Mozoni Carrie signing out, and I'll see you later.